True or false? This quiz starts easy, but only a big brain can finish the final level. Let's go. Question 1. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. True or false? True. Question 2. A triangle has 4 sides. True or false? False. It has 3. Question 3. Diamonds are made from highly compressed coal. True or false? False. They are made of carbon, but rarely from coal. Like the video if you're 3 for 3. Question 4. Hot water can freeze faster than cold water. True or false? True. It's called the Mpemba effect. Question 5. Australia is wider than the diameter of the moon. True or false? True. Australia, 4,000 kilometers, moon, 3,400 kilometers. Question 6. A lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. True or false? True. Hold the comment button and drop an emoji. Final question. The country of Monaco is smaller than Central Park in New York City. True or false? True.